Hello, this is Donovan from RV On The Wayside. Please do not adjust your video, or your knobs, buttons, or your volume. This is a far departure from our normal videos, and this is definitely not one of my proudest moments. Well, some idiot left this door open for about 2 weeks, just sitting here in the driveway. Up there is where the water spout comes down, straight down this way, and it hit the edge of the door that was sticking out to about here and splashing into the compartment. This area was flooded to about that size, and got a little wet up here, but not bad. Nothing ruined up here, but down here was pretty bad. The only things we kept down here were a couple little tools, some straps, which all will wash. But we lost our Dirt Devil little mini vac. It won't ever work again. And sadly, the Jackery 240, the old style, the small square one, it's toast. It doesn't work. So we kind of lost our little backup. This stuff stunk really bad. I mean, it smelled. Here, let you smell it. Smell that? Woo! Yeah. So what we did was we used this little cup from a painter's cup, and we scooped out the water, better than that, and then poured it in here so it'll drain through our French drain system. And then we use this to wipe it out, and then I rinsed it off with that using a small power sprayer handle, which works really well. So I kept rinsing out the wood and stuff and trying to get all the black out, which it did a great job. Did that twice, then used the towel again to dry it all off again. And luckily, the battery compartment's plastic for our solar, and it's sealed all the way up. So that got no damage at all. So we'll probably have to use some Rid-X. Let them sit in here and just keep filling them up and draining them out. And we're going to use a power fan like that, maybe two. We have two of them. And keep this on here. And, that should be about what's going to happen. Bill Murray, if you actually watch this, I'm so sorry all your beautiful woodwork looks like that now. Hopefully, I mean, it's strong. He put in good wood. This isn't cheap stuff, so hopefully when we get it all dried out, it'll be all right. It just won't look as pretty as you did when you installed our solar, man. I'm really sorry. Which, by the way, has been working fantastically. We hardly ever need electricity. That solar works so good. You did a great job. And Bill Murray, he works for RV Solar Solutions. So that's where we're at. We'll try to give you an update and see what it looks like when this is all over. I'm sorry we didn't film it while I was scooping, but I don't know if you really wanted to see this the whole time. Nobody wanted to see that. Yeah, I said Rid-X, but I meant this stuff right here. Dry Rid, whatever it's normally called. Are you guys ready to see how good this turned out? By the way, that's how the towel ended up. I think it used to be a white towel, but...
Ew.
And that's how it looks. Cleaned up pretty darn well. There's gonna be that little black streak there. Have to keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't mold, but it's it's pretty dry. It's not even wet to the touch, so it's good. Looks like we took care without too much damage. That was the video. Hope you all stay safe, and remember, let's travel as friends.